Okay, Selena Vegeta is ready.
Okay, that's enough. Or we add? Okay, we add more. Great.
Carlos is adding water.
This is a team effort, everybody.
What happens if you don't have?
The founder adds the water. Oh, this is amazing.
You're done.
So, heat coil as soon as we add cold tap water, still should be good to go. Or like you wait.
There's no wait. So
Okay.
this is what from cold. Turn it on. See how long it takes. So now you can.
And then cool touch, right?
Yeah.
So this is where I'm raising and lowering.
Then you go.
And I actually love. That's really cool. I want to do like.
How about we do this? We demonstrate the milk at Blue Bottle Advocating. We put 2 on the bar.
Uh-huh.
What do you think?
Oh, hell yeah. Is this an Ethiopia Gucci or somebody? It smells delicious. Vamos, let's go! Oh, great, and we're not wasting any product either.
And how is it?
How does? Oh, it looks so nice.
It looks so nice, doesn't it?
Nice, too for me to drink. I don't want to waste it.
But go ahead, drink it.
You want a mode?
Well, yeah.
It's the best cappuccino you've ever had in your life, right? Right.
Okay. The best I've had this year.
Thank you. Oh, perfect, perfect.
And we just making the bubbles from.
So you don't even need to know that you have to aerate the milk. It will
Nothing.
happen.
Yeah, it will happen. Yeah, good touch.
That's amazing. Awesome. Did you catch that part? You don't technically have to aerate. If you didn't, you know, microphone.
Yeah. In
It will make its own microphone?
Yeah.
the auto mode, you'll make microphone without any swirling.
How do you change the modes? Is it
This is auto.
Okay.
This is manual.
Oh.
Oh, just by the motion of the one.
So if you put your,
It's amazing.
I know. It's out here.
Okay.
So if we do this,
And put it
turn it
down.
on. It will do first steaming, then it will aerate,
Okay.
then keep doing steam
Okay.
until it's done. And it will do temperature reading from this hole, so it knows the temperature of the milk directly.
So infrared
Yep.
temperature, okay.
That's what I was gonna ask.
Sorry, don't mean to cut you off. But when you pull it out, it auto steams?
Bye bye. When you pull it out, it's manual steaming. So
How do you set the temperature?
here.
That was my
Here you'll be able to set
For you to
temperature.
questions.
And in manual mode, the temperature is just a chime.
Okay.
It will let you know when you're about to reach temperature,
Okay.
and you manually have to turn it off.
Okay.
In auto mode, it auto stops at that temperature.
Okay.
So depending on and then we have 3 power modes. So it's missing 3 dots here. So it will be low power, mid
Okay.
power, or high power. Right now it's high
Right off
power.
the bat.
Yeah. So if you're a noob,
What did I steam on?
high power.
That was high power.
Yeah.
Was that enough power?
I was able to texturize the
yeah.
milk, which was like, it was great. Like, I mean, I could even tell like just from this purge. Yeah. We can work with that.
Yeah, that looks good. How do you know what the temperature setting is? You have to use the app?
You'll have numbers.
Oh, there are actually numbers here,
Yeah, there will be numbers there.
but not currently.
No, not currently.
Okay.
And this is not working either.
And what kind of temperature range can you program into it?
It will be, I believe, from 50 to 72. So, yeah, you can burn milk. So 72 is for like weird experiments. Like 70 or 65.
Awesome.
Thank you, everybody.